Robotics is a scientific field that focuses on the design, construction, and operation of robots. It involves the use of mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering principles to create machines that can perform tasks autonomously or under human control. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that draws on many other areas of science and engineering, such as artificial intelligence, control systems, and materials science. It has applications in many areas of modern life, such as manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and space exploration. Robots can be designed for a wide range of tasks, from simple repetitive tasks in a factory to complex surgical procedures. They can be controlled remotely or programmed to operate autonomously using sensors and computer algorithms. The development of robotics has led to many breakthroughs in science and technology, such as the exploration of other planets using robots, the creation of prosthetic limbs and exoskeletons to assist those with physical disabilities, and the use of robots in disaster response and search and rescue operations.